Good morning, Rax. Today is Monday, April 13th, which makes today National Scrabble Day or National Peach Cobbler Day. Take your pick. Three big things to go over. As many of you know, the fourth quarter starts today. Started strong. It's going to be on a pass-fail scenario. You can discuss it more with your teachers, but it is going to be important to start early so that way when we get 2 months down the road, you're not playing catch-up at the end of this. Ms. Shirin has opened up Counselors Connect. It is a SMORE website. You might be familiar with some of those. She will have it up on Google Classroom and wanted me to introduce you to what it has. It has some good links, things to watch, mindful activities. It also has mental health tips that you can utilize to help you out. Here's a YouTube video and actually, What's Good Rochester? There you go. So it's geared right towards you. Also some Career Day stuff as we are going to continue to do Career Day Fridays, and all of that is on Counselors Connect. Also, Monroe County is still not seeing the worst of the coronavirus and the numbers, and especially after a weekend like we may have had if you were conspiring with others during the holiday weekend, make sure you are isolating yourself so that we don't have a major issue here at the end of the month. Last thing to get over is the birthday, and nobody at Rax, so we're going to say happy birthday to Thomas Jefferson. So get yourself a, what is he on, the nickel? And you'll be all set. That's it for today.